So we back with a brand new video. So put your ears at the phone and listen to what me I say. Nobody ask me what me did there. Just act like me did always there. You don't act like me gone nowhere, like my missing or police report put out for me. Just act like somebody did always there. Alright? I'm just joking, but if you know, you know. Alright? I'm a busy girl. I have a busy life. So you guys already know how that goes. So anyways, while I was absent, like, I mean, you guys won't know, but a few people who are close to me or people who are real supporters of my channel, they do check up on me from time to time, even when I'm not posting, to find out what am I doing or what I might be coming with next and stuff like that. Okay, when you don't watch the tired, don't watch my attire. Come and never plan the video, you know, but I sit down here and I have a couple minutes to spare before I'm going to do my work them, because y'all know I'm always in and out of school. So I'm back in school again. I do classes online, so I have a few stuff to do, but before I go do them, I decided I'll just make a video while I'm sitting here. Okay, so don't ask me what I know. I look kind of idea, only I see my head like me I take a passport picture. But anyways, so there's a lot of things that I wanted to talk about even before I went MIA, so I think I might address one of them tonight. So guys, one of my supporters, she lives in Connecticut, and at one point, like, she wanted to meet up to get to know me and stuff like that and whatever. Honestly guys, I was scared, so I kept putting it off, because when it comes on to friends and people, I'm very skeptical for more reasons than one. Right? I only have a few friends and none of them are close. When I say none, I mean not even one of them live close to me. And most of y'all know I moved to the US 4 years now, and I still don't even have no friend like that since I've been here. Like, I have 2 associates that I met when I first started working at M&T Bank, and that's it. In terms of friends here, I have no friends. And even though most of my family is in the US, that's a whole another story that I don't want to touch on, because it might touch some con, and I don't have time for the drama. So back to regular programming, back to what me I say. So I'm not a friend. I'm not nobody for go with, I'm not nobody for do nothing with. The few friends that I really have are nowhere close. And from what I kind of evaluate the friendship that mama have, and I think to myself, like, what makes sense, what make no sense, what I want to continue with, what I don't want to continue with. Because as a Scorpio, if you know, you know. Like, when I have friends, I loyal down to the ground, and if I feel like I not get the same energy from you, it bother me. Like, I take relationship serious like man. Yeah, you know, like how man cheat man, yeah, you serious about it. I take relationship serious like man. I'm serious like a gunman when it come on to my friendship them. So I can compound one and how much friend I have, because it doesn't mean because I talk to somebody they're my friends. No, I take friendship serious. So I'm not like some people who are very friendly, or everybody them talk to them friend. No. So I go to work, I go to school, I go home. My phone is mostly always dry, because I don't have friends like that. I live a very boring, sad life. Well, it's not a sad one, because I stay busy, so I don't think about stuff like that. But the bottom line is, me not a friend. Okay? And some people might get offended when I say that, because like I said, I do have associates, but I wouldn't really consider them friends. So I don't know, like I said, me very weird. I look for friendship different. How I even came up with this video is, like I said, because of this one particular person who was asking me about my friendships and stuff like that, because she was saying, like, I don't see you go out or whatever, like posting like you go places or you do stuff or whatever. No, mind you, separate apart from that, I'm somebody who enjoys people, and a booger in my nose, a ear growing in my nose. Alright, so I'm clear the ear with the party. So but apart from that, I'm somebody who enjoys my own company most of the times. So it doesn't bother me either that I might not have friends or people to go out with or whatever the case may be. I mean, I live in a gated community. We got the gym, we got the pool, plus I work a lot. When I'm not working, I'm doing school work. I live a very busy life, guys. So I don't even have time to change my mind sometimes. I'm just being hilarious. I don't even have time to think sometimes. So I don't even have time to remember someone and a friend. And I do go out like with my family inside my house and stuff like that every once in a while when I get a chance to. So it's not like I don't do anything at all. But even when I have time, I'm home sleeping because I work a lot. I study a lot, I do a lot. So I'm tired, so I'm asleep. But now like them, the ear them in my nose will look bad. But anyways, like I said, I never planned that video, yeah. So yeah, I get this raw and unfiltered. Actually, I'm in bed, me I prepare for go. But like I said, I just decide for drop in the video and no, this is ear them in my nose look disgusting. Anyways, moving right along. This is the real me, if you know you know. So it's whatever. Anyways, so another thing is, I think I told you guys before that my son was going into the Air Force. So he finally graduated high school and he's actually moving forward. He kind of changed his mind on that and he's not going into the Air Force anymore, but he's still joining the military. So we're also working on that also. So the one little friend I really truly have soon gone, and to be honest, it had depressed me also. I've been crying. I find myself I cry sometimes for no reason, just thinking about the fact that, oh my god, my son is 18 now and he'll be leaving maybe in another month or two, if so long. I don't know. I don't remember. I'm waiting to hear back from the people. He's already gone through some of the process. He's never left home. He's always been with his mom. Like, I do basically almost everything for my son. He's never been out there. He's never, so like it really bothers me. But like, I guess I can't be selfish and I have to allow him to grow. Because a part of me feels like he needs it because he's so sheltered. So I feel like him going out there is the only way he's gonna actually learn to, you know, be responsible, be a man and stuff like that. But we live in such a mean world these days. It's like, I'm so worried. I'm not even gonna hide it or pretend or lie to you guys. Like, I'm really worried for him. But not like when I tell him that I hope him to get through, so him not for go. Because I would very much rather he goes to college, but that's what he wants to do. And when somebody's passionate about something, they perform even better at it. So I feel like if that's what he wants to do, then hey, I'm a support in what you want to do, even though deep down inside I'm really not feeling it. I really don't agree, but hey, we just have to pray and hope for the best. My son is basically like my best friend. Like, I even talk to the most, like I even bother the most, even though him annoyed with me all the time. But hey, it is what it is. So just giving y'all a little update that I'm still here. I'm just very busy, got a lot going on. There are other stuff going on as well that I might talk to you guys about eventually, but just not tonight. So just letting you guys know that I'm alive and well. Peace out. See you guys later. Mwah.